More and I are back with another video. Happy holidays.
Today, continuing a tradition we've done for the last 3 or 4 years, and that is to have a cookie baking day at my house. Clearly we're about wrapped up, but if you guys want to know how to make the most bomb freaking sugar cookies you ever had and some snowballs, you gotta keep watching.
What she said.
Make sure you go to Bianca's channel, put it up there. I'll put it down here. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried these cookies. Let me know what other random shenanigans you want us to do next time.
There are other videos that we've done. We've done a few.
Yeah, I'll put the playlist down below. Adventures with Jessica and Bianca.
But today,
making these cookies. So I'm gonna roll it back to earlier today, and we're gonna start from the beginning. See you guys there. Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. Welcome to my annual cookie baking day. We're about to get all up in this kitchen, y'all. I'm here in my Christmas PJ onesie waiting on my girl Bianca, who I'm sure a lot of you all know by now. She's coming over to my house. She should be here by now. She's running late. Bianca. One of my favorite traditions during the holidays, when I was growing up, my mom and I used to spend a whole day in the kitchen baking cookies. Like, it just stuck with me my whole life, and I think that's partially why I love to bake. So as I got older and I moved away, I continued this tradition in my apartment with my friends here in LA. Stick around, I'm gonna share with you my sugar cookie recipe, which is literally the best sugar cookie recipe you've ever had, and it's super easy. And I are just gonna have some fun. Y'all know what we gotta do. If it's a baking video, there's gotta be vino, right? Am I right? Am I right? For today's baking with wine, we are going with Prosecco because it's Sunday morning and bubbly is the cocktail of choice for a Sunday fun day at home in your kitchen. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let the games begin.
oh, shit. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Okay, let's see this onesie.
So, this is from A Christmas Story.
Yes.
If you do not know, now you know. I don't have a little butt, but you know I got a little wagon back here. Just for Miss Moore.
So ready, so ready.
Ooh.
I got started without you.
That's fine. You don't care about me. I was late. I was all the way late. Cheers. Just how many years have we been doing this?
I lost count. Is this the 3rd or 4th?
It's got to be one of the two. Cheers.
Cheers. Clink. We're about to bake the sugar cookies that are the best sugar cookies. So I'm gonna roll it back to a very like tasty style video where I show you guys how to make this dough. You gotta stick it in the fridge for at least 3 hours before you can do this part. So you got to plan in advance. Okay, okay. fancy silicone mats that are made in France.
Ooh la la.
I'm gonna be using these on 2 and then parchment paper on the other 2.
Parchment paper.
Now
Got
this
it.
helps your cookies not stick to your pan. But if you're fancy, you get these things because they are special. They have these coils in them, these fibers that like make the heat go evenly to the cookies, and it makes them not burn and bakes them perfectly. These things are legit.
They're called what?
Silpat? I don't know.
I just wanted you to say it out loud.
Silpat? You want to get yourself a Silpat? Go to the description box. I'll have a link for you.
All right. So look, I'm going like this because I'm not trying to get this on my nails. You know what I'm saying? So don't judge me.
The technique when you got claws.
Yeah, it's called the spoon.
Like Captain Hook.
Yeah. Arr. Arr. I bet you things that we laugh about, people don't think is funny.
What? Excuse me? Are hilarious.
We're funny, but it's like so inside joke where it's like, aha, pirate. And then we're like, arr.
Haven't even had that much Prosecco yet.
Oh, you need more. Am I doing it? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Just go ahead.
Gotta get
I'm
some.
trying to get this choo-choo train.
Gotta get some flour. Get it on the
It's been a
roller.
while. So I only bake. You can't see me. It's fine. I only bake when it's Christmas time. I made a pie for Thanksgiving, a sweet potato pie, but I didn't do the crust and all the things that she's talking about.
No, I don't do the crust either.
Okay, so then I baked on Thanksgiving. That's what I did. But the sugar cookies I only do here. The only cookies I buy outside of this environment is chocolate chip cookies I put in the oven, or cinnamon rolls.
Woo!
Cinnamon rolls got me good.
She a real Betty Crocker.
Listen, I swirl and drop. Look at this. Go, Miss Moore. Looking beautiful. Oh my gosh, is that a snowflake? Put the choo-choo train on here. Put it on.
Choo-choo.
Hi, little baby. And the snowman for the la-la. What?
Is that your like dog language?
Yes, you know it. And baby language. Shout out to Baby J. Casey, I love you.
Casey?
Yes.
Casey, is that you?
Casey knows what's up. She's like, when are you doing another one? Today. You put them on the pan.
I want to stick to this mat. I don't know why, but it's annoying. This is what happens when you don't put enough flour underneath before you roll out, y'all. That is what happens.
Wow. Wow, Miss Moore. Wow. Great job. Look, she's upset when she does that little tight lip. Ooh, don't mess with her. Don't mess with her. Stop. No! Miss Moore! Stop. Listen, this is not the Grinch. We need our Christmas tree.
We'll have these cookies for Santa. He ain't leaving us shit.
Hey, look, I've been a good girl this year.
You have? I don't know about that.
You damn skippy.
This is the warm-up round, you know? Get your oven to 375 degrees. Stick your cookies right in there.
Well, that was smart. You had them ready to go.
Yeah.
For how long, Miss Moore?
7 to 10. I usually put it on 8. That's a happy medium.
And that's good that you show it like this because, see, sometimes I'll put the 8 on the outside, and that's 8 hours.
Yes, it is. This snowman represents me before Christmas, and this one represents me after Christmas when I've eaten all these cookies.
Oh my God. Memory. Oh, we back at it again. So I was baking banana bread, and I didn't necessarily measure.
You didn't measure?
No, see, what had happened was for the sweet potato pie that I made for Thanksgiving, I laid the pie out. I did what they said of doing the things and making sure I popped little indentations in them, whatever. But it came out fantastic because I was dipping and dabbing and trying and licking.
You're lucky because normally when you bake, that's not how it works.
Okay, I was on a roll. So I said, okay, I got this. Then I did the banana bread. Okay, I can do a muffin, and now the cute little banana muffins. And I put them in the oven. I checked them like halfway through just to check, you know, to see what I'm doing. What? There were like these green veins in the bread, and it was hella bubbly. So I was like, cool. Didn't do that right. Follow what I say by not measuring. There's only certain things that you could not do that with. Like I said, I made sweet potato pie, so I was going off sweetness. So I made sure I got the consistency right, and then I made sure based off my liking,
sure,
I made it sweeter or not sweeter.
Yeah.
Put in the oven, wah wah wah. This.
All y'all out there who are rookie bakers, you need to follow the recipe.
Just follow it.
Baking is like a science experiment. If you don't do everything exactly right, it is not gonna work.
Not at all.
I went through a phase when I was a kid that I would like bake all the time, just like for fun. Cause like when you're a kid and you have like a million hours a day to do whatever the hell you want. I used to just like bake for fun. But I went through a phase where I would like leave out like one crucial ingredient like every time. So I'd put like cookies in the oven and I'd open it thinking they were done and they were all like runny. Like,
oh my God.
Mom, why? And she's like, did you put flour in them?
Oh, that.
Oh, we've rolled out all the dough. We got our cookies right here. So we're almost all done baking them. Then we're gonna give them some time to rest and then we're gonna decorate these babies. While the rest of those cookies bake,
Yes.
we're gonna make some Russian tea cakes, AKA snowballs. We need butter, we need powdered sugar, vanilla, flour, we need chopped up nuts.
Sounds sexual.
She did it that time, not me. Flour. Wait, did I already say that?
Maybe a little bit.
Oh, salt and powdered, more powdered sugar. Okay, here we go.
This is one of my favorite cookies because it's home cooked, you know, it's from the stand. I don't know. And she's back with all the ingredients.
We're gonna double the recipe because you can never have too much of these cookies.
Give.
I mix the margarine, AKA butter, because who eats margarine anymore? Margarine.
Go. Oh, wait. Oh.
There's more where that came
Okay,
from.
cool. Keep going.
We're doubling.
We're trying to get the gram right, guys. Okay, at the same time. We're shooting and we're gramming at the same time.
Multitasking, baby. Are you ready?
Okay, go. For real this time.
For real.
Yeah, one.
You get 2 more chances.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. You might have went kind of fast. Oh, that was in there, but you was hitting it like you was trying to hurt somebody. I need a like slight cute dab. Give me Salt Bay wrist, okay? A little flick of the wrist. That's all. 1, 2, 3. That's way better. The other one was like, are you having a boxing class?
Okay, so we just used a whole box of butter.
No problem.
Now we need 1/2 cup of powdered sugar for this part.
I've been drinking.
Actually, we need a whole cup because we're doubling it. Oh shoot.
Of sugar?
Yeah, because like I'm drinking, so I'm bad at math now. You know what I mean? So there's 1/2 cup. Now we gotta get 1 more half of a cup. She gone. Add another one though. It's fine.
Another one.
Another one. Oh,
What is it? Cookies?
the cookies are done.
All right. You want me to get it?
Go get them.
I'm right here.
All right, so we got a full cup of powdered sugar. But remember, we're doubling the recipe, so I don't want to confuse y'all. I'll just put the instructions in the description box for this cookie, okay? 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We're having a cookie. Make sure it's sampling one. Oh, you eating another cookie?
I'm gonna make sure. Okay.
Just get closer to the camera, maybe. Be a little bit closer. Okay, you gotta put the flour, the nuts, and the salts. 4.5 cups of flour.
That's a lot.
Y'all, this is a lot of carbs, okay? I'm telling you right now.
Once a year. Around, spinning around.
You spin me
around.
You don't know that song?
Yeah, I was late. Which made it seem like it was a delay.
Oh,
but it
no.
was spin me around, round, and it roll down, and it roll down, down. Flo Rida.
You know there's like an original of that song, right?
Okay, cool. So
Flo Rida did not come up with that hook.
What's this doing? It's slowing down. It's smelling different. Oh damn, it's tired. It smells like a milkshake from McDonald's. Got him. More champagne. Oh, this is real. Okay, wait a minute. It's all bundled up together. Turn it off.
Okay, shut it off. Down!
Shut it down. Turn it off like this.
Turn it off!
It's going
Go the other way!
Wow. Oh my god. This is so fancy and cute. Use this for real?
I mean, I use it like maybe only at Christmas time.
Yeah, use it. Probably once a year.
Got me this for Christmas like a long time ago.
What the hell are you about to do with that? Wait a minute. Are you still recording? Whoa!
I have a nut chopper thing in my pantry, but I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna take a meat meat tenderizer and just like. I got a lot of aggression out this day.
Clearly.
Take your pecans, which you've just murdered. These nuts, man. These nuts.
Yep.
Put some salt in there. Half a teaspoon of salt. Hit it.
Knock it up. That work I just did for nothing.
All right, we need 1.5 cups of pecans.
Ooh, that smells good.
As my grandmother used to pronounce it.
Pecans.
Pecans.
Pecans. Is that how you say it?
No.
Okay, what you mean?
Pecans.
The hell you know?
I'm sure some people say it pecans. Do you say it pecans?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
It's pecans.
Oh, okay.
A pecan pie.
All right, in the comments below, is it pecans or pecans? Weigh in.
First of all, if anybody asks me for some damn pecan pie, I'd be like, at the stove. I'm not making it for you. Don't curse, kids.
No more pecans. Pecans.
Oh. Now, do these go in the oven?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Roll them up into bowls.
Balls.
It's like a drinking game. Every time I say bowls, take a shot.
We lay down on the floor. It's fine.
Now we got this dough all ready. We're gonna roll it in balls and then we're gonna bake it.
Are they gonna be big balls or little balls?
They're gonna be a mixture.
Okay.
Don't discriminate between ball sizes.
Let me see what size you do.
Take a little bit, roll it up, roll it up. That's about the right size.
Baby. Okay. And then you just leave it there? That's it. I think mine are a little bigger than yours. No big deal.
But yeah, you could downsize a little bit.
Damn
No,
it.
you can leave those. I gotta turn the heat up to 400 for these babies. What's your favorite Christmas song?
Our song.
Oh, the Mariah Carey one?
Yep. Let's just drop in real quick on a moment of dancing. That's our epic song. She's saying, all I want for Christmas is you.
Yes.
You
so
know?
I asked Siri earlier to play that when Bianca got here, and she played me a regular Mariah Carey song. I wasn't happy about it.
She played Touch My Body, which also, let's go to that segment as well.
So here's Bianca's cookie tray. Here's mine.
I'm doing better.
This is the size that you're going for though here.
Whatever.
Well, we're kind of waiting for those snowballs to cool down a little bit so we can actually touch them. I'm going to prepare the frosting for the sugar cookies. So we have here a Pillsbury Creamy Supreme Vanilla Frosting. One should be enough. Just divide it up into 4 bowls for your 4 colors. So we got ourselves some food coloring. Red, green, and blue. Stir it up, little darling. We are in the icing stage. Okay. Hey, look lovely.
Yeah, a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Other thing that's useful is once you frost them, let them sit out for a little while and get kind of the frosting get a little stale. That way, like, it won't transfer so much on top of each other when you like put them in a cookie jar. When you let them sit out for like an hour or 2, it kind of like hardens the frosting a little bit. Almost forgot the sprinkles. This is what happens when you cook tipsy, y'all. You forget to finish your instructions. So with the snowballs, once you coat them the first time after they're kind of warm, and then you let them cool off and you coat them a second time in the powdered sugar, they're good to go. And then once you ice your cookies and put some sprinkles on them, they are good to go. So here's the finished product, and I doubled both recipes, and clearly I made way too many cookies. Cookie making video. I'm still here eating this cookie.
I'm sick. Ugh, I ate too many.
Like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe already, what the hell are you doing?
You're late.
Hit that button. Hope you guys have a great holiday season from me and Bianca. Christmas card.
See you next year. Right, exactly.